Hello techies, welcome back to Elfin Code channel, and today we are going to see one of the news which is coming from the YouTube. And YouTube finally came up with a particular label saying that all those creators who have generated or who are generating their video completely using one or other synthetic medium like AI or any generative AI, then they need to mention with the help of one label, while uploading their video. And yeah, they have put a lot of exceptions also. Like if you're a creator, if you're creating your script using one or other generative medium, then you are not mandated to put that label to your video. Similarly, if you're generating music with the help of one or other AI to put as a background music, then also you don't need to actually use this label. Plus let's say you are using some kind of AI tool to enhance the beautiness of your video, then also you are not mandated to use this particular label. And these label will only be visible to the mobile user. The laptop or kind of desktop and television user won't be able to see any such kind of label under any kind of videos. Okay, so this is at present will be open to the mobile user, where in case if they open the description of that video, they will be able to see whether this video is being generated using one or other AI tool, or it is being generated or kind of created without any kind of AI tool. So this is at present visible to only mobile user. So that's pretty much what YouTube has came up. So let's see. I've not checked whether that label I'm getting while uploading the video. Once I have those information, I'll just share it with you. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe Elfin Code. Thank you.